2019, when I had a vision examination, I found out I had a problem in my eyes called amblyopia. And in 2023, when I checked, it affected my eyes a lot. Then I came to SGVP Holistic Hospital and met Dr Haridra sir, and he told me that the Panchkarma treatment is going to remove the problem in my eyes and it's going to reduce some numbers in my eyes. And then when I actually started the treatment, it was really easy, and the staff was really friendly, and they explained every step of the process. And in those 15 days, the treatments I was doing were AKSHI TARPANA, ABHYANGA, Sirupichu and Bidhalak. Those treatments affected my eyes and they reduced my number a lot. After 15 days when I checked, my amblyopia was completely gone and my number was reduced.
SGVP होलिस्टिक हॉस्पिटल, एलोपैथी, आयुर्वेद एवं योग।